In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent header in Squarespace. A transparent header lets your navigation float seamlessly over your hero image or banner, giving your site a polished, modern look. It's a simple change, but it can dramatically improve the first impression visitors get when they land on your homepage. Start by opening your site in the Squarespace editor and moving your cursor to the very top of the page. When the header area highlights, select Edit Site Header. This opens a panel dedicated to everything in your header, so you can focus on styling it without affecting the rest of the page. Next, choose Edit Design. You'll see style options for your header layout, spacing, and appearance. Think of this as your control center for how the header looks across your site. Now, go to Color. This is where the header's background color and transparency are controlled. The color your header uses may be tied to your site's theme palette, but the key setting here is the background opacity. Adjust the opacity slider to make the header more or less see-through. Drag it down towards 0 for a fully transparent look, which lets your hero image show through completely. If you want a softer effect, keep a touch of opacity, around 10 to 30%, so the background slightly tints the image and helps the navigation stand out. As you adjust, watch your logo and menu links. The goal is clarity. The header should feel integrated with the page without compromising readability. A few quick tips while you fine-tune the slider. Pay attention to contrast. If your navigation text is light and your hero image is also light, the links may disappear. A small bump in opacity can restore legibility without losing the transparent feel. If your hero image is busy, consider a bit more opacity to calm the background behind your links. On mobile or keys where space is tight and images can feel more crowded, a subtle opacity often improves clarity. And if your logo tends to blend into the image behind it, a semi-transparent background can help it pop. Or you might use a logo file that's optimized for light or dark environments. As you preview different pages, check how the header behaves over both light and dark sections. A consistent experience across your site will keep things looking professional. With these adjustments in place, you've created a clean, transparent header that enhances your visuals and keeps navigation clear. That's all you need to achieve a refined, modern header in Squarespace.